we have a special brand new fountain from Santan Fireworks at santanfireworks.com. And before we announce the name of the fountain, you know who's here? You see those gripping hands? Sergeant Pyro! Say hello, Sergeant Pyro! Sergeant Pyro, what do we got new from Santan Fireworks?
Hawker Hurricane.
Oh, can you say that one more time?
Hawker Hurricane.
And okay, so tell us a little bit more about this. What war did this plane?
World War II aircraft.
Ah, okay, here we go. Would you look at the artwork? People, you got to get these. You need one for your collection from Santan. Oh yeah, boom! From Santan Fireworks. Now we got the performance right there. Here we go. You guys could read that. I'll give it a moment there. Crackle, chrysanthemum, whistling, pearls, gold. All right, we'll flip her back, and you know where we're headed. We're going to the street pad. Yeah. We made it to the street pad. All right, let's light her up. There we go.
Misfire.
It's hard to find that sometimes at night. I think are we still going?
Nope.
Wow! We're getting cheers on the ranch BBQ!